So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check the HTTP header of any website that you are surfing. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps on your smartphones as well. Now here, just simply open the browser and here you have to search for securityheaders.com. You can see the URL right there. Just simply search there. Don't give any space in betweens. Now here, it says enter address here. All you need to do is to just simply enter any web address that you want to scan. For example, if I write facebook.com, let's just scan the Facebook, and here you're going to see the security header for the same. It will provide all the details about the security header for this website that you will paste here, and you can see that it's very high rated, so it's safe to use. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.